Good, good.
Yo, come down.
Oh shoot, the boys brought their bikes today. This is what cost us?
Yeah, this is what cost.
Whose is this?
That's mine.
Oh shoot. Damn.
Yeah, man, we heard you and we're like, oh, that's rich.
I'm going to Long Island, going to the beach.
Oh, you're going to the beach on your bike?
Yeah, like this.
Damn, today's a perfect day.
Damn.
What beach you going to?
Robert Moses.
Oh, wow. Just talking about that.
Yeah. These are both 600s?
Yeah. Dude, your bike sounds so good. Crazy.
It's a full system exhaust. What's with the foil on?
Nah, that's the heat wrap that came with the exhaust.
Oh.
It looks kind of weird, because there used to be a heat sheet.
We gotta ride one day.
Yeah, bro.
This happened?
Yeah, I actually crashed into his bike.
You can probably buff it out.
Yeah.
With polish, yeah.
Because I rode in the rain and all the fucking...
No
mirrors?
No mirrors. Whew, it is hot today, man. What is going on, y'all? It's your boy RickyMoto. Welcome back to yet another video. I just met up with some of my valet guys. I used to work there running cars and whatnot, and then they started getting into bikes, so they saw me earlier as I was passing by, so of course I had to pay a visit to the boys. But anyways, right now I'm actually going pretty deep into Long Island for about an hour ride. I'm going to the beach today, and I'm dressed like with jeans and everything. My church has like this event where like we go to the beach every year to have like a beach service, so that's where I'm going right now. Gonna hang out with some church guys. They got some food and everything as well, so I'm pretty excited. I haven't eaten all day, so it'll be pretty nice to be able to fill my body up with some stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna take a chill. I don't have a topic for this video, just calm cruising. It's about 12:30 right now, so there's a good amount of cars. There's a little bit of traffic buildup right now, but hopefully once we hit the highway, it'll clear up. Maybe do a couple pulls and whatnot. Unfortunately, I haven't had time to do the oil change on this bike. I already ordered all the supplies. The bike has 625 miles. The braking period is at 600 for the oil change. But I think by the time I finish this ride, I'll probably put about 700 total miles on the bike before I do my first service. Just 100 over. I don't think that's too bad for the motor. There's like multiple stages to the braking period. So there's like the first break-in, like the 600 mile break-in with the oil and filter change. And then until 1,000 miles, you got to keep the RPMs kind of low. It's not like you can't hit redline, but you just can't cruise at it, which I never do anyway. If you guys been watching me for a while, you might notice that I tend to short shift. And no matter what kind of bike it is, no matter if I have a broken in bike, non-broken in bike, same thing with my car, the M4, is stick shift. I always short shift. I don't know, it's just a habit of mine. I feel like it rides smoother that way. It kind of keeps the engine calm a lot. So I don't put a lot of wear and tear or stress on the motor. And you know, I'll ring out the RPMs and do a couple of pulls here and there. But when I'm just cruising, I pretty much short shift all the time. So basically, like for the braking period, they want you to short shift to keep the load down on the motor. So it's good that I already do that like naturally. Damn, the breeze feels mad good. It is so hot today. I'm gonna be getting roasted at the beach today. Damn, look at this traffic. Oh boy. I'm glad I took the bike today, because if I took my car, I'll be stuck in this for a while. So I gotta stay in this for the next 4 miles. That's what my GPS is telling me. It looks a little clearer up front, so maybe if we just lane split all the way through. Let's see if we can... Dang, ooh! Damn, wide body Lexus, okay? Woo! That thing is clean. Sounds amazing too. Damn, that fitment. I was thinking about wide bodying the M4 actually, but especially because my quarter panel is damaged, I don't want to like go through the hassle to try to fix it. I'd rather just cut it completely and put a body kit on it. but I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with that. Maybe next year I'll do the wide body if I decide to do it. But in terms of my E90, that car is having a lot of problems. I haven't really featured it on the channel, haven't really, you know, talked about it much, but basically the E90 is broken down in so many different ways. It's been in and out of the shop. It doesn't even start. I changed the battery 3 times on it already. Alternator is good though. Basically, I had electrical issues where the dash and everything really just kept coming on and off. The car still drove, but all the electrics were just bugging out, and I couldn't really diagnose it. I couldn't figure out what the issue was. So I brought it to a shop and they did some diagnostics, and they discovered that it was the fuse box or the junction box that went out. Why'd she flick me off? Anyways, like I was saying, yeah, we figured out it was the junction box, so they're gonna order the part and it's gonna come in probably next week, and they're gonna help me do the install, and that's gonna cost like $300 to $400 in parts, maybe another $300 in labor. So yeah, it's a money pit, y'all. So that's why what's happening with the E90 is after I get it all fixed up and running properly, I'm gonna actually sell the car and get rid of it. Kind of the update on the E90. I kind of want to get everything sorted out before I move, so maybe in a month or so the car will no longer be mine. I'm still looking into another car though to replace it, because I still like the idea of having 2 cars, one as a daily, one as my fun car. The M4 I've been daily driving for the past few weeks, and it's been great, but I just don't like putting all those miles on it. So I'm gonna look for another daily. I don't know if I'm gonna go with another Beamer. I've had 3 Beamers now and it's getting old. It's the same crap over and over again. So I was looking to Alfa Romeos, Porsches, like the Macan. I just want something a little bit more reliable this time around, because I don't want to get myself into a money pit with, you know, maintenance and repairs. This traffic is not getting any better. I was mainly looking into the Macan. It was either the Macan or the X5, but I kind of like the older Macan. Like, this is the newer one where the taillights are like that one long strip. I kind of like the older one where it's split into 2. I don't know, I've never really liked the newer car designs where the taillights are linked together like that. Neutral, come on now. Did I miss my exit? It said 38. Yep, I did. Oh, they just said take 39. Ah! The GPS is so delayed. 3 miles. I have to go 3 miles now? What the hell was that? Oh, I think this is where the Lamborghini dealership is actually. So we got Porsche, we got Lamborghini, Bentley, Rolls Royce. Oh, I think we're almost here already. That was quick. Jones Beach South. I think I actually learned how to ride on Robert Moses when I took the MSF course. They did it at a beach actually, in a parking lot. So this road looks very familiar. now. The ocean. I hope I'm going the right way because my GPS is not saying anything at this point. Literally twerking right now. The bike is going up and down, up and down. My ass is literally flying off the seat every second I go over a bump. Oh, 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 oh. The suspension on this is pretty good though. It's able to eat up all the bumps. It doesn't feel harsh. It's like soft. Might be a little bouncy though. Maybe I can tighten up the suspension, make it a little less sort of bouncy like this, because I feel like I'm on a bus right now going up and down. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. To piss off so many people right now. Using cash. It was an M4. How did I not notice that? All right, you guys take card at all? Yes. Apple Pay or no? All right, thank you. Alrighty, y'all. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go do my thing. I have limited edition forged carbon fiber KEYTAGS for sale in the description below. And thank you for all of those who have ordered one. I appreciate, you know, the efforts and even spending your hard-earned money on supporting a vision that I have. Make sure to drop a like and a comment below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as turning on those post notifications to see when I upload. With that being said, I will see y'all in our next video. Peace. Hello.
Hey bro, you know where we gotta go? I'm like behind you right
Oh, I don't know. I'm just rolling around because I think last time it was at like the picnic area, which I think is at like this corner, if I'm right. Is that you in the Nissan or no? Oh shoot, I think it might be at the picnic area. All right.